What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me.
Yeah, I'd like to beat you guys at the top of the morning. And it is Friday, November the 15th, 2024. And welcome back to another episode of the Wealth Wise Guru. And I'm your host, John Shaft. And it looks like we're going to start out this morning. Portfolio is down by $122, which is 0.47% for today. We are investing $25,841.53. And since the surge of the election, which we gained all the way up to about 28,000, as you can see, we have lost quite a bit of that gain. And so let's take a look at the portfolio this morning. And first up is the options that I placed on 12/13. It is up by 305, even though it's still in the red. And I placed this option. Well, I had this option in place in the S&P Y500 specifically because of what you're seeing the market is doing today. Even though I haven't made as much money as I have lost, I still have made some kind of profit. So the name of the game is to make profit, no matter which way the market is currently moving. And so I have this S&P Y 500 put in place, and it still has a less value of just under $100. Today is minus 50, and total is minus 113. Let's look at the S&P Y 500 this morning. It is down by $3.89. I have two current positions in the S&P Y 500. Two regular trades, and they're valued at $1,400. Average cost is $571, and it is 2.44% of my portfolio. Today's return is negative $9.74. Total return is 44.04, 3.20% of the portfolio. And the market day today is very volatile market, and as you can see, it's getting kind of hard to make money in this market unless you are familiar with option trading like I am. I have a couple of them that I have sold because they wasn't really gaining any ground. So I sold about three of them. I think it was two of them was in video, and I think I sold an Apple as well. So we're starting to see still seeing a lot of red this morning. Looks like the cryptos might be up just a little bit by 99 cents. For those of you that love crypto, I'm really not a fan of crypto. I'm more of a fan of regular stocks like Tesla and American Airlines and Facebook and Boeing's Airlines and Goldman Sachs, Apple, Google, and these are the Amazon, Google Tube, Berkshire Hathaway, and Delta Airlines, McDonald's, AMD, Coke, Netflix, Microsoft, Walmart, Starbucks, Exxon, Verizon, S&P 500. See, these are the stocks that actually make your money. I took a look at NVIDIA. NVIDIA this morning is down by $2.50. 104 shares of NVIDIA. Market value of $15,000, right at $100. So for today, it's negative 261. Total in the deposit column is $2,440. So this is why I like regular stocks and not too big of a fan of crypto. Once upon a time when crypto first came out, when it was new, you could make money in crypto. But today is to me, it's just nothing more than a pump and dump. You know, you quick money, get in and get out, because you never know which way it's going to do. It's going to go. In the surge that it just had, it only had that surge because of newly elect former president Donald Trump is going back to the White House, and he has an interest in Bitcoin, and that's the only reason why it probably surged like it did. Matter of fact, the whole market surged when he got elected. And if we can get through the month of November and December, and he gets sworn in as president, then all of the uncertainties will go out of the market, and then you'll probably see the market become more stabilized and more profitable. And hopefully he will fire the chairman, President Jerome Powell. He can't maybe directly fire him, but he can put pressure on him and put in his what he wants. See, Palantir is up this morning, and greens it's up this morning by $3.75. I have 131 shares of Palantir Technologies, trading at $8,300. I mean, market value of $8,300. And today I made $500 already. And we're just 20 minutes after the bell has rung, and I already made $500 off this particular stock. Total is $3,772, which is 82.90% of the portfolio. Had two strategies in place, negative for 200. The strategy is not really doing too well, so I might have to readjust that either. Okay, I'm going to have to go into it and see. I might have to roll into another position, or simply close it or sell it. And as you can see, we have quite a bit of red this morning, so that means it should be a buying day, a buying frenzy for you to continue to load up on your stocks. And as you can see, you don't really need a whole lot of stocks in order to build generational wealth. It helps when you have a lot, because you're well diversified, but actually you don't need but maybe 3, 4, 5 stocks in order to get rich. And you have to constantly and consistently invest and buy stocks. and keep on building on them. Just doing it one time or every now and then is not going to do it. You're gonna have to consistently buy and build on stocks in order to build what you call wealth or generational wealth. Unless you have a big amount of money that you start out with, like over $10,000. If you have that to open up a portfolio with and start out with that, or even higher, then you can invest in some stocks and sit back and relax and watch it grow. Your first $100,000 is going to be hard. It's not easy to get to $100,000, and thereafter you make that first $100,000, then it become easier. That next $100,000 become even more easier. And then if you're consistent and you keep on doing it, you can eventually make yourself a millionaire just off of trading in stocks. And how long of a time period it will take for you to get there just depends on you and your portfolio and what you have and how often you invest. 'Cause like I said, it doesn't happen overnight, but it does happen with consistent investing in good companies and good companies like Nvidia, Amazon, and Google, and Facebook, and Tesla, and Apple. Consistently investing in these kind of pioneer technology, and you'll eventually get there. So let me take a look at this new stock. I want you guys to take a look at. It's called if I can get this to work. It's SOFI. SoFi Technologies. Now, this is another stock we ought to be looking at. Same thing as Pioneer Technology. This stock, let's see how low it is, trading at $13.28. It's down this morning by 12 cents. And I have 20 shares of it. So I'm betting on this will be the next stock that's going to propel itself to $50 or $60, maybe even to $100 or even higher. So now's the time to get into it. It's only cost you $13.29, and so you can start building with this particular company here. Those of you that have small portfolios. Let's see what the news is saying about Pioneer Technology. See, share has scored 70% since the start of October. It looks like the stock chart of SoFi Technologies, which is SOFI, is at 1.98%. You wouldn't know if you were looking at the price movement of a real business, of a drawing of a roller coaster ride. The company has taken shareholders on a wild journey in the past few years. SoFi currently trades 50% off its peak price, but it has experienced monstrous momentum in recent times, soaring 70% since the start of October. As of November the 8th, but can this surge French tech stock be a millionaire maker? So posting stellar growth. The financial service industry, which is one of the oldest around, it's known for being particularly friendly to its customer base. It has a reputation of charging unnecessarily fees, creating friction, and moving money around, and not being very technology advanced. By understanding this situation, while also leveraging the advent of smartphones and the internet. SoFi has thus far built an extremely successful digital banking enterprise. The business provides a wide range of financial services and lending products without the presence of a physical branch network. This lack of overheads allows SoFi to move more rapidly to better serve. And so this is a stock, like I said, that we are looking at, and I am investing in it. And I have about 20. I have 20 shares of it so far, valued at $273. And so you guys, you're welcome to trade my trade as well. And we are right at the resistance line, still down $77 and $76.64. And so let's take a look at the ROI at what it is today. And it looks like the network has kind of fallen a little bit, which is suspected. I see brief as markets dipped as inflation concerns surface, casting doubt on the Fed's rate cut timeline for 2025. And this is the market brief. The market's dip as inflation concerns surface. And it says the stock market is experiencing a downturn today, primarily driven by the we know of inflation concerns and the potential impact on the Federal Reserve monetary policy. Recent data has shown stronger than expected inflation reading for October, prompting economists to release their expectation for interest rate cuts in 2025. This development has rejected uncertainties into the market as investors grapple with the possibility of a higher rates for a period of time. The technology sector represented by the NASDAQ QQQ is particularly affected, showing a more significant decline compared to the broader market. This suggests that growth stock, which is more sensitive to the interest rate expectation, are facing increased pressure. Meanwhile, the industry heavy Dow Jones DIA is showing a slightly better resistance, indicating a potential shift in investors' segments towards value oriented stocks. Despite the current pullback, it's worth noting that the U.S. listed ETFs has seen recorded inflows of in 2024, surpassing $900 billion. This trend underscores the ongoing popularity of passive investment strategies and suggests that investors maintain a long-term optimistic outlook on the market, even in the face of short-term volatility. And up and coming events, which is on the 16th, Fed Chairman Powell speech. Powell remarks will be closely scrutinized for hints about the Fed's stance on inflation and future rate decision, potentially influencing the market segment and sector rotation. And so I'm not gonna continue to read all of this. But there you have it, a brief little interlude of what the market is actually doing. Say what happens in the market. Warren Buffett, Berkshire Hathaway buys stakes in Domino's and Pool Corporation. Trium's Apple. Warren Buffett, Berkshire Hathaway acquired a new position in Domino's Pizza and a Pool Corporation, while reducing our stakes in Apple and also Bank of America. This move signals a shift in Buffett investment strategies and could impact the market segment towards these stocks. FTC plans to probe Microsoft cloud business. Say the Federal Trade Commission is preparing to investigate Microsoft cloud business over licensing terms that may hinder customer immigration to competitive platforms. The potential antitrust probe could impact Microsoft market position in the cloud sector. Amazon launches cheaper hair loss treatment, impacting the telehealth stocks, and inflation prints makes Fed 25 rate cuts pass Mukaba, how you pronounce that. EU fines Meta $843 million for typing marketplace to Facebook. And let's see what the next segment is saying. Well, that's it for that. And let's see, the portfolio is at 158,031 this morning. Stocks still hold on to 193 stocks, valued at 112,000, which is up today by $9,716. And these are all the stocks that I currently have in my portfolio. This happened to be the biggest. This was Google. But don't forget to get this app. It goes well with your investment portfolio. Gives you more of a better outlook of what your actually portfolio is doing. It gives you a better outlook than the actually app investment portfolio does. And so let's go back to temperature check before I get you guys out of here this morning. I'm not gonna make a long video today. Already up to just about almost 30 minutes. And so we're still down this morning by a little over $100. And the options, the credit spread option that I put in place in the S&P Y 500. It's at $323 this morning. Waiting on this to update itself. And don't forget to watch the fight tonight. I think it's gonna be on Netflix. Jake Paul and the champ Mike Tyson is gonna be going at it in the ring again. Mike Tyson almost 60 years old. He's almost as old as me. I'm currently 62 myself, so I can't even see myself getting in the ring from fighting somebody at this age. It's enough to just get up out of bed every morning and fight all these aches and pains. Well, I'm John Shaft. This is WealthWiseGuru. I'm your host, and I think that's going to do it for today's video. I don't know why it's not updating this particular app, but I kind of know about where it stands. So if nothing else significantly happens today, then I will see you guys again on Monday morning at the opening of the bell. Until then, may all your trades be a good one. Have a blessed and prosperous day. Be safe out there. And not only enjoy your day, enjoy your weekend. And hit the like button, share button, and subscribe to the channel on your way out. And we'll see you guys again on Monday morning at the opening of the bell.
Is it worth it?
Oh, yeah, it's worth it. If you're strong enough.